chapter 41, 25 to 32. Joseph came. When he heard the king, he interpreted the dream of the king.
As an institution intentionally supporting research, we've done, but we're going to do it to the nth degree going forward by the grace of Jesus.
The essence of this strategic workshop is to sensitize the academic leaders about the essence of university feasibility, ranking in particular, THE ranking that is just open now for data collection. We've been doing a lot, but reporting very few. That is where we are now.
Raising awareness so that our leaders at various levels will understand how our activities align with the 17 SDGs, and also ensure that they are able to put in the relevant workflows that help them to keep and harvest the data that they daily generate in their various offices and units, so that we can use this to push our visibility.